Listen up. Welcome to Neuro AI. I'm here to tell you about the most powerful force in the financial universe. It's not some hot tech stock. It's not a secret tip from a Wall Street big shot. No, it's something you can harness right now today with the money in your pocket. Albert Einstein supposedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. This is the secret sauce. This is the magic potion that turns pennies into fortunes. It's the engine that drives the wealth-building machine. Most people don't get it. They're leaving monster money on the table. You work hard for your money, right? You punch the clock, you put in the hours. What if your money could work even harder for you? What if your dollars could get up every morning, go to work and bring home more dollars, and then those new dollars could join the workforce too? This isn't a fantasy. This isn't a late-night infomercial. This is financial physics, a law of wealth creation. It's the difference between rowing with one oar and captaining a nuclear-powered aircraft carrier. You need to understand this. You need to respect it. Put it to work for you. The greatest fortunes weren't built overnight. They were grown. They were cultivated. They were nurtured. A small seed of an investment can blossom into a massive forest of wealth over time. It's a slow burn at first, I won't lie to you. You might not see much action in year 1 or 2. You might even get bored. That's where people make the mistake. They give up. They don't let the magic happen. But if you have patience and discipline, this force will start a fire that grows bigger and bigger until it's an unstoppable inferno of financial freedom. This is the game changer. This is the great equalizer. It doesn't care about your background. It doesn't care about your fancy degree. It only cares about 2 things: time and consistency. Get those right, and you can build a fortress of wealth for generations. You can create a money-making machine that never sleeps, never complains, and never asks for a day off. So, are you ready to learn the secret? Are you ready to stop trading your time for money and make your money work for you? Then listen closely. Your financial future depends on it. Booyah! Alright, let's get down to the brass tacks. Let's pull back the curtain. What is this mysterious force I'm screaming about? Compound interest is simple. Deceptively simple. It's the interest you earn on your original money, plus the interest you earn on your accumulated interest. Read that again. It's interest on your interest. It's a chain reaction. It's your money having babies, and then those babies grow up and have babies of their own. Let's put a face to this. Let's talk about a real person. Let's call him Alex. Alex is just a regular guy. He's not a hedge fund wizard. He doesn't have a trust fund. He works a normal job. He pays his bills. He has a little bit left over at the end of the month. One day, Alex decides he's had enough of living paycheck to paycheck. He hears a loud guy on TV screaming about compound interest. Maybe it was me. He decides to try it. He scrapes together just $100. That's it. 100 bucks. Some people spend that on a fancy dinner. Alex invests it in his future. He puts the $100 into a broad market index fund averaging about 10% per year. The first year, Alex is not impressed. Alright, let's put these 2 contenders in the ring. In one corner, simple interest. In the other corner, compound interest. This is a battle between addition multiplication, a straight line, and exponential curve that shoots for the moon. Let's use some easy numbers so you can see the carnage for yourself. Imagine you invest $1,000 at a 10% annual return. With simple interest, the calculation is painfully easy. You earn 10% of your original $1,000 every single year. That's $100. So after 1 year, you have $1,100. After 5 years, you've earned $500 in interest, so you have $1,500. After 30 years, you've earned $100 a year for 30 years, which is $3,000 in interest. Your grand total is $4,000. It's predictable, it's steady, it's also frankly pathetic. You left a mountain of money on the table. Now, let's look at the champion. Let's give that same $1,000 to compound interest. The first year is the same. You earn 10%, which is $100. Your total is $1,100. But here's where the fight turns. In year 2, you earn 10% on the new total. That's 10% of $1,100, which is $110. Your total is now $1,210. The simple interest guy only has $1,200. Compound interest just landed the first real punch. After 5 years, your $1,000 has grown to over $1,610. The gap is widening. The momentum is building. 30 years. Remember, our simple interest chump ended up with a measly $4,000. Where is our compound interest champion? After 30 years of earning interest on its growing pile of interest, that initial $1,000 has exploded into more than $17,449. Look at that. That's not a victory, it's a knockout. It's an annihilation. I want you to picture a snowball, a tiny little snowball at the top of a very, very long hill. That's your initial investment. When you first give it a push, it barely moves, it rolls and picks up a tiny bit of snow. It's still small, it's fragile, a little gust of wind could stop it. This is like the first few years of your investment journey. The growth is almost invisible, it's discouraging. This is the point where most people quit. They say, "This isn't working." They walk away, leaving their little snowball to melt. What a mistake. But what if you don't quit? What if you let that snowball keep rolling? As it rolls, it picks up more snow. The bigger it gets, the more snow it picks up each rotation. Its surface area is growing. After a while, it's the size of a basketball. Now it's picking up way more snow with every turn. It's also gaining speed. It's getting heavier. It's building momentum. Let's look at two people. Early, Emily later. Emily starts investing at age 25. She puts in just $200 a month. She does this for only 10 years and then stops. At age 35, she has invested a total of $24,000, 212 months, 10 years. Then she never adds another penny. Now here comes later Luke. He waits until he's 35 to start. He invests the same $200 a month, but to catch up, he invests for 30 years straight, all the way until he's 65. He invests a total of $72,000. That's 3 times more money than Emily put in. Imagine the sun rising on a brand new day, lighting up a path to your dreams. That's what compound interest can do for your financial future. It's not just about numbers. Opportunity freedom, the life you want to build. We've seen how starting early, staying consistent, letting time work its magic, can turn small efforts into incredible outcomes. Whether you're at the beginning of your journey or thinking it's too late, remember, every step forward counts. The most powerful force in finance is now on your side. So, what are you waiting for? Take that first step. Start investing in yourself and your future. Your snowball is ready. Give it a push. Watch it grow. Thank you for watching and being part of this journey. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more. Share it with someone who needs a little inspiration. Your future is wide open. Start your journey today. This is Neuro AI.